Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I know that not fine to that extent because it is too hot. Obviously, as it is the summer season, all of us are going to feel the hotness. But do you all know that there is someone who could relieve us from this heat? Any guesses? Okay, let me tell who is it. It is the ice cream man. Here in this poem, we are going to study about the ice cream man. Exactly. Whenever we see an ice cream man in his cart, oh God, we become so happy and we become so joyous, don't we? Okay, what all we expect with the ice cream man? Ice creams, cold drinks, candies, oh, and many other things, right? Moving ahead with the poem, shall I start now? When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, okay, means when it is the summer season or the scorching heat of the summer is all around in the city, even the bricks are getting too hot and even the bricks are exposing so much of heat from them. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. There is only one man who comes with his little cart around the streets to make us really happy. Yes, and the ice cream man is seen trundling down the street. Trundling means to move very slowly on the small wheels of a cart. And if we see an ice cream man's cart, it is a small cart with small wheels. So the word trundling is used here. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight. Beneath means under anything, okay? And if any one of you recall the sight of an ice cream man's cart, we could see an umbrella in his cart. Beneath his round umbrella, the ice cream man is standing under his round umbrella, and it is a wonderful sight to see him doing what? To see him fill the cones with mounds. Yes, as he is an ice cream man, he is found filling the cones of ice creams with mounds. Mounds means heaps or piles. Means the cones he is filling with mounds of ice creams. Of which colors? Yes, it is brown and white. Cooling brown and white. The ice cream man is seen filling the cones of ice creams with brown and white colored ice cream. Not only brown and white, moving towards the next paragraph, see what else he has. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink. The other flavors he has are vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Not only ice creams, he has many other things to drink also. And the drinks which he has, of course, they are too frosty, too chilly and too cold to enjoy. From bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. He has which colored drinks? Green, orange, white or pink. Means not only ice creams, the ice cream man has some other colored flavored drinks also for the little children. Now in the last paragraph, talking about the cart of the ice cream man. His cart might be a flower bed. What is a flower bed? Exactly, it strikes to our mind that maybe a bed made of flowers. So the ice cream man's cart is compared with a flower bed. It is not a flower bed, it is not made of flowers, but it is compared with a flower bed, means it smells so sweet of roses and sweet peas. Means the ice cream man's cart is compared with a flower bed made of roses and sweet peas. Why is it compared with it? let us make it clear. The way the children cluster around as thick as honey bees. Now all of us know what are honey bees, an insect, right? And honey bees are mostly found around sweet smelling flowers. In the same way, whenever the children see an ice cream man in their street, they gather. Cluster means to gather around something. They gather or they cluster around the ice cream man's cart, just as honeybees cluster or gather around the sweet smelling flowers. In short, if we summarize the poem, the ice cream man is a person who is really cherishing, who is really making the children happy by his entry with his little cart. The children, not only children, many of us also expect the cool, frosty ice creams and sweet flavored soft drinks also from the ice cream man. Wasn't it a wonderful poem from Rochelle Field? See you soon, children.